Metaplanet's stock price went up 10,000% for the last 18 months. In January 2024, it was trading at $17, but now it's trading at $1,895. Now, how did this happen? So, Metaplanet as a company, its whole job is to buy Bitcoin. Literally, they made buying Bitcoin as their core business model. And as of today, they hold around 10,000 Bitcoin. That's around just $1 billion. But as everyone knows, businesses need to make money. How do they even make money with only buying Bitcoin? Well, first, there's the obvious, the Bitcoin price goes up. And the second part is where it gets interesting. They sell these things called options that are backed by their Bitcoin holdings. Buying an option means you are paying for rights that lets you decide if you want to buy a thing at a certain price. In more simple terms, traders are betting on the price of Bitcoin at a certain time. And if they're right, they can buy Bitcoin at a certain price. For example, if you buy a call option where you bet Bitcoin will go over 150k, let's say tomorrow, and it does, then you get to buy Bitcoin at 150k while it can be trading somewhere above 150k. So you're getting to buy Bitcoin in a more cheaper price if you win your bet with your call option. And by selling these options, Metaplanet is making revenue. So basically, the whole premise of this is that Metaplanet is risking their own Bitcoin so people can speculate on the future price on Bitcoin. So to increase revenue, they must hold the assets that enable these options, which is Bitcoin. So they need to buy more Bitcoin to make more money. Basically, Bitcoin is like the material for their own product. As if Apple imports computer chips from other countries. These guys need to buy Bitcoin. But Bitcoins are actually expensive. Even if they were to spend all of their lifetime revenue, which is like $5 million, they can only buy like 50 Bitcoin. So what do? They just borrow a shit ton of money with a very cool 0% interest rate. And how is this all possible? I don't know, man. This is like an infinite money glitch. And realizing this, many companies are trying to do the same thing. Bitcoin is going to $1 million, man.